Hey guys, welcome to my video. Today I'm going to show you a revolutionary equipment, a digital corrugated cardboard printing machine, SCB1600. SCB1600 stands out for its high precision and efficiency. It uses advanced printing technology, so there is no need for the placemaking. It can truly print on demand. So even though if you only need one sample for printing, it can deliver a perfect result. SCB1600 can print 45 sheets of corrugated cardboard per minute, handling large or small orders. It supports print-free printing, and so start from one piece. Printed with 4 colors, it can present 2,560,000 true colors. Color management and spot color processing have been optimized to ensure that print has flawless color accuracies. And no matter it's a simple color blocks or complex graphic designs, to SCB1600 is easy peasy. SCB1600 is equipped with a high-flow recirculating ink system, which prevents the ink breakage and the string dropping. Its internal circulation ink systems make an efficient use of ink and truly achieving the environmental and economic benefits. I have to mention that SCB1600 supports a high-definition barcode and a variable data printing systems, meeting the specific needs of the logistics and the warehouse industry. About the operation part, the design of SCB1600 is user-friendly, and there is no need any technician to make a complex color adjustment. This is easy to operate and can switch the order freely. More importantly, SCB1600 is a representative of eco-friendly. It does not emit pollutants during the production process and literally achieve clean production. So generally, SCB1600 is not only excellent in the print effects, but also it is easy to operate and environmental friendly and highly efficient. No matter your small batch order or large-scale production, it can satisfy what you need and help you win more orders. Thank you for your watching, and remember to subscribe, like, and follow our accounts. For more information, you can check our website. See you next time.